aviation enthusiasts. This is Professor Avram Aerospace, and Good to Know in Aviation. Today, we are going to continue our discussion about aircraft operational reliability system, and reference document is FAA Advisory Circular AC 120-17, Reliability Program Methods, Standards for Determining Time Limitations. Chapter 5.2, Analysis of Task Effectiveness. Section 5.2.2, Data Sampling. Here is the short quote from the Data Sampling section. In compliance with your Continuing Analysis and Surveillance System, CAS, under Part 121, Section 121.373, to determine effectiveness of your maintenance schedule, 100% of your performance standard data is collected and analyzed. Data sampling allows you to analyze a defined portion of data from a relevant data set, rather than analyzing the entire amount of data that may be available. As with any effective data analysis process, the FAA expects you to collect and analyze additional data types and/or different data sets as the particular circumstances dictate. End of the quote. Now let's see examples that we have to include in the data sampling activities.
Number 1. The type of task being evaluated. Number 2. The finding or type of finding considered unacceptable for a given task. Number 3. Related versus unrelated data. Number 4. Significant versus non-significant findings. Number 5. Data variables. Discrete data, for example, can only take on certain values, can be counted. Continuous data, for example, can take on infinite number of values, must be measured, and data quality or error rate. Number 6, qualitative versus quantitative analysis. And number 7, other differences in analysis methods and tools. Those designed to predict failures or future performance, and those designed to monitor real-time performance. These are examples for building the operational reliability or data sampling system, based on FAA AC 120-17.
Again, thank you very much for watching our videos. Please support us. Subscribe our YouTube channel. Buy our books about aviation reliability, which now available on Amazon.com. We are planning to have a lot of interesting contents on aircraft reliability, aircraft safety, etc. Again, thank you very much for your support. See you next time. Bye.